Hey guys, I'm really excited because today we're going to be trying out the Plouise Advent Calendar makeup. I have all of it here and I'm just going to show you what we've got. Oh my god, okay. So the first thing that we have here, these are the Dream Droplets. So we have a liquid highlighter. This one is in the shade Pot of Gold. It looks like this. I think I might even try this as like a... I kind of wanted to put it under foundation, but I don't know actually. But yeah, anyway, so we have liquid highlighter. We also have one of the Cheek But liquid blushes. This one is in Baked Biscuit, and I'm obsessed with the packaging of this one because it's got little gingerbread men all over it, little gingerbread girls. Ah, so cute. So yeah, we have that, and that looks to be a really nice colour. I'm pretty sure this was an exclusive colour to the actual calendar. So I've got that. We have a couple of eyeshadows. The first one that we have is a serving of magical memories and a scoop of enchanting excitement. So it's this little one here where they're baking the cookies. Obsessed. Once again, I just cannot get over the packaging of these. So this is like a little quad. And we've just got some like browns. I reckon what I'll do is, I'm not going to obviously be able to use all of this makeup today because we have like a few like double ups of products and stuff. So anything that I don't use today, I am going to film a different advent calendar video where I use makeup from the other advent calendars. So anything that I don't use today, I'll pop back in the drawer and we will use it in that other video. This one is all you need is a sprinkle of wishes and an added touch of gingerbread kisses. And in this one they're making a little gingerbread house. These palettes, I can guarantee that I am never ever going to get rid of them. These are the colours on this one. Obviously just quite like neutral shades, like it's a quad. There's only so many colours you can put in it. We also have some lashes, which I'm excited about. I've never tried Plouise lashes. We have Cupcake Curls, Baker's Wink and Frosting Flutter. The only thing I don't love about this is like, how am I going to fit this in my drawer? And once you take them out, we don't know what they are anymore. So yeah, but anyway, I'm excited to try Plouise lashes. I've never tried them, so I'm very excited about that. Our last eyeshadow palette is the Big 50 Pan palette. If I'm being honest, that's probably the palette we're going to use today, just because I feel like it was, well, it was the last day of the calendar. I feel like it's the main event of the calendar. This is the Can I Have a Taste palette. It's absolutely stunning. It's a very neutral palette. We have all the neutrals, which is exciting. So yeah, I reckon we're honestly probably just going to jump into that today. We have the Lip Drip Lip Gloss Duos. So we have two of those. I actually don't know what shades these are. Let me have a look. I can't remember. Oh yeah, so we have a gold and we've got like a silver. We have Pour It Up and Just a Drizzle. We have Bake Your Move highlighter palette. She says a little highlighter quad. We've got 4 different shades in here. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm very excited for that one. We also have a blush palette. This is it's the icing on top. Almost there guys, don't even stress. How cute are these, by the way? I feel like I'm not like saying, like making any comments, like saying how cute they are, but I'm just trying to get through this. So we've got a blush palette. We also have a bronzer palette, which, oh no, I have used a Plouise bronzer, but only recently out of the Dream palette or whatever it is. This is the Just Roll With It bronzer palette, which, oh, guys, it's little gingerbread men, like, I can't even start talking about it because it's too cute. We also have some lip liners. I think we've got 6, which is exciting because I've never used a Plouise lip liner before, or actually any Plouise lip product. So yeah, I've got 6 of those and they look like they come in some really nice shades, so excited. And then the last thing that we have is the Perfect Blend Recipe Book Brush Set, which I'm so excited about because once again, never used Plouise brushes, so very exciting. There was obviously more makeup that came in this, but I got rid of some of it, like put some of it in giveaways and stuff. like things that I didn't think I was going to use. So, but yeah, I'm just going to prime my eyes. Then we're going to get into this, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I've primed my eyes. I just quickly want to show you the brushes that we've got in our little recipe book. So we have some like face brushes. We've got like 5 like face brushes. We have like 5 like eye brushes, I guess. So, which mind you, I'm just realising now that there's not a big fluffy blender. So I'm gonna have to use one of those out of what I've already got, but that's fine. Alright, I think I already showed you this palette, but let's just get into it. How cute! Love it. And there's little gingerbread ladies stamped in every single pan, which is so cute. Honestly guys, let's be honest, it's gonna be a neutral and that's fine. I did something out of my comfort zone last night, so I'm happy doing something neutral today. Oh, there's some really pretty shimmers, like look at that. That is stunning. I'm going to take the first shade called Chef's Kiss. It's this really cute like little kind of biscuit colour, honestly. Looks like a little fresh cookie. It feels wrong to be using this palette now, like the Christmas and stuff is over. Like it's kind of making me a little bit sad, I'm not going to lie. I love Christmas time, and now that Christmas is over it just feels like, I don't know. I'm already so hyped for next Advent season, like I cannot wait. This year I really want to do like 24 or 25 days of Advent on this channel. So yeah. Oh my god, I've just seen this. How stunning is that shimmer? That is called a Perfect Batch. I just think, I don't know. I know it's just like a neutrally palette, but it's just so pretty and so cute. Alright, so this is our first shade. Looking cute, looking cute. Okay, next shade I'm going to take is called Bon Appetit. And it's kind of like another biscuit shade, but this one's just a little bit deeper. But by much, just like a fraction. Honestly, kind of thinking a cut crease highlight eye today. I need some ideas of like some series or something that I can do, because I feel like at the moment I'm either working my way through my makeup collection video or I'm trying new makeup. Like I want to do something where I can use makeup that's already like in my collection, you know what I mean? But obviously not for like, but like makeup that's already in my collection but not in the working my way through my makeup series, if you know what I mean. I feel like that made no sense just then, sorry. Okay, so this is what we have going at the moment. Can't remember if I said, but the first shade we used was called Chef's Kiss, which is so cute. Let's go into one of our little Plouise brushes. I'm going to take the shade called Jingle Bells, but it's spelled with a G, which is kind of cute. And this is what we're going to start doing our kind of halo eye. The brushes do feel real nice. Very, very soft. And like applying colour nice and stuff. I will say that I kind of just use whatever brush, but I have really wanted to try the Plouise brushes for a long time because I feel like they just look really nice. Okay, cute, that's what we've got going. Just gonna go into that Chef's Kiss shade and just like blend it quickly. I'm gonna take the shade called Yummy Bear, and this is like a darker, just darken up a little. The reason I'm doing this is so that when we put on our cut crease shade, our like halo eye shade, it's gonna really pop. Alright, giving that a blend. Taking Chef's Kiss and Bon Appetit together to blend that. These shadows are just so creamy and so nice, and they're just blending like an absolute dream, to be honest. I really want to take Whisker to Start. I just think it's so stunning. We also have one called Oh Snap, which is also stunning, but Whisker to Star is the girly for today. I don't know if this is probably not the right type of brush to take it on, so I'm going to take a different brush. Stunning. Oh my god, honestly, like There's just something about a shimmer that is just like chef's kiss, you know? Especially a shimmer that is this nice. It's so pretty. It's literally like blinding. I am obsessed. Okay, I feel like that is just so pretty. I am literally obsessed. Just gonna go back into that Yummy Bear shade and then just blend it a little. Cute. Okay, I feel like this look is very simple, but I feel like it's effective. Like, I feel like it's pretty. So I'm happy. I think it's really cute. I think it's kind of interesting that there's no like eyeliner or anything in this palette. Not this palette. You know what I'm saying? Like in this collection, in this advent calendar. I feel like a nice, like, you know, that little duo ended ones, like a nice like brown one or something would have gone really well with this. But anyway, I'm gonna try the lashes. So yeah, we have 3 styles. We have Cupcake Curls, Baker's Wink, and Frosting Flutter. So they kind of get progressively more like dramatic, I guess. So yeah, Cupcake Curls, Baker's Wink, and then Frosting Flutter. I'm gonna still do them off camera. I'm also gonna do my base and stuff. I think today we're gonna try out the palettes. So I think that as for like the liquid blush and the liquid highlighter, I might try those in a different video. I reckon I'll put those in the other advent video, and I will with these eyeshadows as well. So yeah, I think we're gonna do the palettes for today. So yeah, I'm gonna go do like foundation and stuff, and then I will be back. Okay, so I used the Baker's Wink lashes. I feel like they're really cute. They're actually less dramatic than what I thought they were going to be. Like in the like packet they looked a lot more like intense, but they're really pretty, quite like nice, like natural lashes for me, I guess. Alright, first things first, let's bronze. So this is the sometimes you've got to just roll with it palette, and it says the secret ingredient is always kindness, which is very sweet. So these are the shades we have here. Stunning. And I know you're probably looking at this and being like, well, why would you like kind of buy that, because you can only use one shade. But I feel like, you know, you can use it as eyeshadow. It's good to have in your kit if you're a makeup artist, or you know, all that kind of stuff. Alright, I'm going to take this Plouise brush. It's not my typical kind of brush that I would use for bronzer, but it's the closest one that I've got here, so let's just give it a go. These don't have individual shade names either, and I think the shade that I'm going to take is this one down here. So when you look at it, the palette this way, it's actually this one. So he is the 5th deepest shade, and hopefully it looks okay. Oh my god, it looks so pigmented. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this brush. It's really not a bronzer brush. Yeah, it's not a bronzer brush. Okay, let's take a different brush. It's actually looking quite nice though. These pants are so cute. The only thing is, I feel like at some point it's going to get really hard to get your brush in there, but who cares when it's that cute, honestly, who cares? So that's like one side of the face. I feel like it actually looks really nice. I actually really like this colour. It's really pretty. This is also a good palette to have if you're like a fake tan girly. Like if you know, have your tan shades of stuff and then like your not tan shades of stuff. Because then you can obviously have it all in the one palette. Because yeah, I know some girlies do their like makeup when they're pale, and then they also do it like when they're tan. I am not one of those girlies. I wish I was, but just not now. Why is it getting stuck here? There's like a little bit here that is kind of refusing to blend in a new way. I feel like just around this forehead bit, it's just not blending right, and I don't know why. Like over here looks fine. It is what it is. Alright, so that's a bronzer palette. I'm actually really impressed. I feel like it looks so cute. I actually really like the way that looks. Super healthy glow. Next we are trying out the blush palette. This one is called It's the Icing on the Top. Looks like that. packaging is so cute. And then we have all these blushes. We did get 2 blush palettes. The one I gave away was more like orangey shades, I think. I think for today, I'm going to take this shade here, and use that one. I'm going to use this blush, this palette, this brush. Jeez. Okay, it's quite pretty. I really don't mind that at all. It's very, very natural. I quite like it. I really quite like that shade, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, I just feel like that's quite pretty. Just like a really nice natural flush on the cheeks. Stunning. Then the last thing that we need to try on the face is the Bake Your Move. This is a highlighting palette. These are the shades we have here. I'm just gonna give them a quick little swatch for you. So those are the shades there. So pretty. I think I'm going to take this one for today. I'm going to take this blush brush. Jeez, I cannot talk today. Okay, not the right brush. Okay, that's better. Stunning. That's really, really pretty. I don't know if it's a tiny little bit too dark for me, but it's real pretty. Okay, beautiful. I thought it was going to be a little bit more blinding, if I'm being honest. Like, it's a very, very nice highlight. I just thought it would be a little bit more blinding. Anyway, that is the face at the moment. I'm really, really liking the way that it's looking. I feel like I'm looking so much more pale on camera, which is a shame because I don't really look... I look a lot more like... I've got a lot more colour in the face in real life. But I am going to go off camera now. And we're going to do my hair, then we'll come back and do the lips. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I went in with the lip liner in Luscious Love. It's like this brown shade. It was actually really nice. They're pencils, so I thought they weren't going to be like super creamy, but they're actually really, really nice. And then on top I went in with the lip drip in Just a Drizzle. And you know, I'm not usually a gloss girly, but this is actually quite comfortable. It's not sticky. It has like the tiniest little bit of stick actually, but like not like, you know, like it's comfortable. So yeah, I am really impressed. I feel like I love everything that we tried. I'm really excited to try out the other stuff, and yeah, I reckon I'll definitely use it in a different video. Yeah, super impressed. Yeah, really, really happy. So let me know down below what you guys thought. Let me know if you got this calendar, what you liked, what you didn't like. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.